risk you. What's up, kitchen gangers? How y'all doing? Welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is love made edible. So for today, guys, it's Boxing Day in Jamaica, and you know it's another public holiday. So we're currently on a road trip with my family, with Arone's siblings, and yeah, that side of the family. So we're going back to the roots, back to where Arone is from. So journey on with us, guys. What do you usually do on Boxing Day? Drop it in the comment section below.
Yeah. Visit country.
Don't it? So we're all here.
No, I'm not even kind of shy right now.
How much, puppy? Hi, Tipsy. Who is this? Brittany.
Hi, I'm William.
And that's Ashley with Siron. And this is me, of course. And this is Tamaya. And I have Romaine.
Romaine on camp.
We have Swain. And we have over there, son, over there, so. And we have Auntie Carla. No, sir.
He was leaving.
Oh, say hi. Hello. It's a family affair. Arone is remembering the good old days. What did you say?
The best cherry. I don't know what they put at the root. But trust me. And it used to be big. I never.
Manure.
I have never.
Manure they put at the root of the
No.
No, trust me.
No.
There was
No.
manure.
No manure.
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 Oh, manure. Me think it's a manure. Be careful, Brittany. Be careful, baby. This is what, pineapple? It's pineapple. Okay, nice. Whee! We're at Arone's family. What was that now?
This is where grandma grew up
Yes.
or came from.
Yeah. So we're just looking around. It's a farming community, and we're in what community name? Dry River
Yeah.
in St. Elizabeth.
See, that's where the river is supposed to, but the place is dry. So don't put that up.
There's a pan. I don't know one that going on, but you don't know, so we still leave it in there. So it's a little farming area. So we have pineapple. Let me show you a close up. Pineapple farm.
Across a river. You know, just the basic stuff.
And you have breadfruit. And then you have the bananas. Where else? What else? I'm not sure what tree this is, but we have coconut tree here too. But yeah, the whole family is coming. So we have the kitchen cube.
Wow. I remember doing this as a child.
Wow.
But not the filling part.
The picking. Whole heap of pineapple. Oh, cocoa. I know this is cocoa. You know, country girl must know them thing. Don't guys. Pineapple. It looks like a coconut tree. Yeah.
My mother live here. Oh, the black pepper tree.
That's a black pepper tree?
Yeah. No, it's run.
Oh,
Black pepper tree?
interesting.
Black pepper was made from like actual pepper, like real pepper.
No man, this is something like look like just like what you see, but it grow like an vine.
I've never seen a black pepper. Okay. So guys, this is exactly where Arone's grandmother house was. Right on this. Yeah, on this farm. No farm.
Is this the first time back, Arone? Oh,
We've been here before.
Oh, okay.
Very green.
Lots of cocoa and cane.
Yes, cane,
Pine,
pineapple,
banana.
banana, planting, black pepper. I learned that today.
Yeah, this is like an avocado tree, innit? It looks like a pear tree.
Food in the hills up here, so.
Wow.
And then we used to go up there and get food.
Oh.
So it has always been a farming space.
I mean, if you're not a farm, what are you gonna do? That's the thing.
So,
So I didn't know, I don't remember here, I remember now we were going.
okay, in retirement.
Enjoy yourself.
Well, you know, I enjoy it, you know, I know you realize it, but then I tell you have to just do and make the best of it.
The luxury.
Eh? The thing about if you go up the Sunday, you have to go up to a bag of, I think you carry a bag of yam, you know, or half bag of yam, or whatever it is. And you know, so it doesn't go straight, so it goes so.
All over the place.
So I can't go straight up. You look funny thing and say, I remember what down straight line.
Be careful, baby. William, be careful. Get 2 lime, yeah. We'll make some lime juice. Thick lime. So we got some lime, guys. We're now heading back to the car. We're heading to retirement. You want to carry them? What is it? What is that? What is it? What is it? Lime? Lime. This is lime. Very good. We're getting oranges, guys. When you don't have a knife?
Just peg it.
Yep.
Just peg it. I'm not from St. Elizabeth, I'm from St. Mary. But I guess we do this all over Jamaica.
All over.
Just peg it. When you're a child and you get in the bag, you have no knife.
Exactly. But they're sweet. Sweet. Real country girl.
Just
Jump
jump
up.
on
They're sweet.
Yeah, man, really nice.
Folks, Arone get a handful of orange and we have a live. We're about to leave. Where the Arone? You're struggling around here, so come man, show me what you do. Show me. What you doing? No, sir.
Where there's a will, there's a way, right? And my aim is to get to the good stuff.
All right.
Almost.
We're at Wadat Plaza. Yep. Retirement primary school. So we're now in retirement, guys. Making a quick stop at Arone's cousin's house. Tamaya, cool out. So Tamaya, cool out. Hey! Just visiting family and making our little stop here and there. It's pretty cool. It's a good evening journey. I love it. Look at the puppies. They're so in love. No, stop.
We need to know about Sarah.
See the puppies, bro?
Yes.
Meet Skiaba.
Unique dog name I've ever heard.
Go again?
Kaba. I'm saying that is the most unique dog name I've ever heard.
Exactly. The dog name is Skiaba. Come, Skiaba. Come. Come. Oh, Skiama or Skiaba? Oh, Skiama. We did have it all wrong. Hi, Skiama. Where's you see a real Skiama? I want a real Skiama this. Alright, Brielle. No, sir. You like the puppy, Brielle? There's a mama. Not true. Snacking, guys.
Yeah, we're just snacking. Bulla and cheese.
Bulla and cheese.
Awesome bulla, man.
Supper gent.
I'm Shirley.
I'm Miss Shirley. Yep. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining and staying until the end. We're telling Nadi. Big up your nice, clean self.
Nice.
Clean self. Go again. Big up your nice, clean self. Alright.
Yes.
Yes, big up your nice, clean self.
Yes.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, okay?
Be nice.
Clean self. Until then, goodbye. Tell him bye-bye.
To
Bye. Mas Juni.
Platoni.
Goodbye.